There is no better place to find yourself than sitting by a waterfall and listening to its music. Among 35 waterfalls in Karnataka, Hebbi Falls is the most stunning one located in the Chikmagalur. Today our destination is this enchanted waterfall in the beautiful Kemanguri hill station. In this video, I am going to share detailed information about this place, cost of travel, duration, do's and don'ts, so that your next plan to Hebbi Falls can be more delightful. So stay with me till the end. Please like the video and share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel to get lot more travel updates.
ಸರ್ ನೇಮ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿ
ಕುತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ನಾನು ಕಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೀನು ಮುಂಚೆ ಯಾರು ಕಳಿಸಲ್ಲ ನಾನು
इतना जल्दी बोलोगे तो नहीं समझेगा थोड़ा थोड़ा ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಸರ್.
It's 65 km from the main Chikmagalur town. Will take approx 2 hours to reach that place.
12 kilometer one side. 12 kilometer.
12 kilometer one side.
800 meters walk on double.
800 meter walking. After that. अभी पानी है ना?
हाँ पानी अच्छा था.
फुल है ना? अरे नहीं सुबह कब चालू होता है?
मॉर्निंग.
हाँ मॉर्निंग
9 o'clock.
और इवनिंग लास्ट
entry 4:30 entry last.
After reaching the forest checkpost, there are two options to get to this fall. The first option is trekking. We took the second option for jeep ride. Per head cost rupees 400 for 8 people in the jeep, so you can share with the other group on the spot. Luckily our team size was 8, so we don't need to share with anyone else. Make sure you carry a backpack with a water bottle, a pair of extra clothing and medicine if required. You may not find any network coverage, so plan accordingly. And of course, don't miss out to capture stunning photos during the journey. Please follow me on Instagram to get more travel photos. After a bone-racking drive, now we have to walk for 15 to 20 minutes to reach the falls. During monsoon, the trail gets clouded with less to zero visibility because of the fog and heavy rains. So it's advisable not to go on trekking during monsoon session. The area around the waterfall has dense forest and plenty of coffee plantations. Very picturesque view all along the way, so capture this beauty as much as possible. It is a place where you can witness nature to the fullest. By the way, this trip is not recommended for infants and senior citizens. It's simply a wow feeling. Spending at least an hour sitting on the water, it was heavenly. The jeep will allow you 1 hour 30 minutes to spend, else they will charge extra. Please take care of your DSLR or any other camera from the water sprinkles, unless you have an action camera. It's a time for photo shooting. Please check out my Instagram handle for more photos. Now it's a time to go back to the real world. It's not a destination, but a journey that makes the Hebei Fall unique. Few quick things to remember. There are a lot of leeches and other reptiles, especially during the monsoon. There is no place to change clothes and eat. No nearby hotels or food joint, so plan accordingly and spend almost half of your day, around 4 to 5 hours, to complete this journey. Please share your feedback and comments in the below section. It will help me to improve my next videos. Till then, bye bye.